I was introduced to ECEC due to a counselor named Ms. Walton. She got me in here. She was on me about it, my attendance. So what I did was take full advantage of it and really put my potential into it to see the better outcome, because I didn't have a legit plan to go to college or a trade. ECEC had helped me get to the position where I was at today, which was being full-time in Lincoln Electric. It helped me gain access to my car now, and now that I'm able to get my car today, I see myself purchasing my first apartment by myself and many more bigger things as I get older. But just at 18, it just feels good to be able to do that and not really have to rely on nobody else or go outside and have to ask nobody else to borrow anything. So it's bright. It makes it's a sun inside me that just shine, and I just be happy that I'm able to really be legit now and just live life.